Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Epfo. Epfo, or Employees Provident Fund Organization, is a social security body that is responsible for running and supervising the largest mandatory state pension schemes for people in India. If you'd like to log in to Epfo as an employee, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser and soon after you do that, go to the address bar at the top and type in Epfo login and search. From the search result, you can click on this first link that you see and this will take you to the employee login portal. Simply go ahead and enter your universal account number in the first text box and now type in your password in the next text box appearing on the display where it says password. Once you type in your password, click on this eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password before moving on. Right below, you'll need to answer the question that has been asked to you. And finally, click on the login button in order to log into your employee account. That is how you can easily log into Epfo account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.